Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two blue triangles fully confined in a trapezoid, as you can see in this diagram, such that the base of this trapezoid is 17 units and the height of this trapezoid is 25 units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded region, both of them. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first step. Since we are interested in finding the area of this blue shaded region, both of them, let's assume the area of this triangle is a sub 1 and the area of this another triangle is a sub 2. Now we are going to calculate the area of these individual triangles and then we're gonna add them up. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this left hand side triangle. Let's assume the base of this triangle is x units. And now we know that this total length is 17 units. So therefore this base length is going to be 17 minus x. That is going to become 17 minus x units. So thus the base of this right hand side blue triangle is 17 minus x units. Now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times height. Now let's focus on this left hand side blue shaded triangle whose area is denoted by a sub 1. So therefore we are going to use this formula. So our area a sub 1 is going to be a half times our base of this triangle is x and our height is 25. So I'm going to go ahead and write down x times 25. Now let's go ahead and simplify. So a sub 1 is going to be equal to 25x divided by 2. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right hand side blue shaded triangle whose area is denoted by a sub 2. So therefore once again we're going to use this formula. So a sub 2 is going to be a half times our base in this case is 17 minus x and the height for this triangle is 25. So I'm going to write down 17 minus x times 25. Now let's go ahead and distribute and simplify. Therefore our area a sub 2 is going to be 17 times 25 divided by 2 minus 25x divided by 2. Now let's go ahead and multiply out these numerator part. So therefore our a sub 2 is going to be 425 divided by 2 minus 25x divided by 2. Let me call this our equation number 2. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the total blue shaded area. That means we're going to add up this a sub 1 and a sub 2. And here's our in equation 1 a sub 1 and equation 2 we have a sub 2. So therefore total blue shaded area is going to be simply sum of these individual areas, a sub 1 plus a sub 2. And we know our a sub 1 is 25x divided by 2 plus and our a sub 2 is this much. Let me go ahead and add it up. 425 divided by 2 minus 25x divided by 2. And now we can see that this 25x divided by 2 and this negative 25x divided by 2, they are gone. Therefore our total blue shaded area is going to be 425 divided by 2, or in terms of decimal that is going to be 212.5 square units. So thus the total blue shaded region area turns out to be 212.5 square units. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.